We'll guide you through how to create a new Apple ID account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. In order to use Apple services like the App Store or iCloud amongst others, then you need to go and have an Apple ID account. So we'll guide you through how you can go and create one. So to go and get started, you can go and open up Safari or another web browser, it doesn't matter. You can go and tap on the address bar and you want to go and type in account.apple.com. It'll look something like this and you can then press go and that'll bring you to the Apple account page. Now to go and create an account, head to the top right and press on the arrow pointing down. Go and open up some options here and you can tap create your Apple account and we can start the process. So what we need to do is we need to go and enter in our first and last name and choose our country or region. Next, you need to enter in your date of birth. Enter in your email and you can choose a password and confirm it. Enter in your phone number and choose how you want to go and verify it. And then what we can do is go and choose what you want to go and receive information about here. Go and complete the characters in the image. We can then press continue. A verification code we sent your email, so go and enter that. And a verification code we sent your phone number. You can enter that in and you'll have gone and created your account.